Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shweta Sablok and today we are going to make an amazing face mask. Yes, it is amazing because I have tried it a lot of time and I want to share this remedy with you because it's really worth sharing. In my last video, I have told you the property of neem and we have made a toner. In this video, we are going to use neem and tulsi together and we'll mix some natural ingredient into that and we'll make a mask. Neem and Tulsi, when we are mixing together, it double the benefits. It is anti-aging, anti-fungal, it reduces the dark spots, it reduces the dark circle, it reduces the anti-aging problems, and moreover, it will give a natural glow to your skin. But before going forward, if you are not following me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. I have given the link below in the description box. So let's start with the face mask. I have taken neem leaves, tulsi leaves, honey, rose water and turmeric. This is all what I need to make this face pack. Now I will put some leaves, around 20 to 30 leaves in this jar. Then I will add small quantity of tulsi leaves in the same jar. So ultimately we have to make a mixture of it, smooth mixture, or we'll try to get a smooth mixture of these leaves. Turmeric, honey and rose water we'll add later after making the mixture. First of all, I have cleaned my face with the help of my face wash. Now I will clean it again with the help of my rose water. So I'll be using my rose water. I'll just spray it on my face. I'll just spread it over. Now my face is ready for the face mask. So let's apply this. Believe me, after applying this face pack, I am feeling so good. Like already I am feeling the cooling effect on my skin and I am just loving it. So we'll wait for 10 minutes and then we'll wash it with normal water. So let's wait. So guys, 10 minutes are over and now my pack is ready to remove. It is not completely dry. This is how I want it to be. Just a little dryness is enough for this pack. So now I will wash it and I will show you the after effect of this. So be with me, wait for the final result. Can you see the glow? I was expecting this only. I wanted to show you this. Like after using, I have not applied anything directly. I just towel my face and I'm showing you. See, my skin is glowing. Now it is bright also. And if you see the smoothness, it's like a soft paneer. Seriously, I'm telling you, it's like a soft paneer. I make this pack so often and I apply because I love the results it gives. So I'm done with the pack. I got the nice glow and brightness on my face. Now I'll apply moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated. That's all for today. I enjoyed a lot sharing this remedy with you all. I hope you will also enjoy after making this remedy at your home and after trying it. I would request you to utilize this lockdown time and enhance your skin. Just pamper your skin with all these small remedies. I will come up again with new ideas, with new remedies, with new makeup look, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, you be with me. And if you like my video, please subscribe it, like it, and press the bell icon which is there below near the red button so that you will receive all my new videos updates. I'll see you again in my next video very soon. Till then, bye-bye.